So what is up, fam, and welcome to another episode. It's your boy Mohamed, and today we're out here in the neighborhood park just playing some ball. Me and my buddy Vince just playing a game of horse. But yeah, today we got a very amazing episode for you guys. It's kind of sad, I know, we're talking about Kobe so soon. We didn't all want this to happen. No one did. It's crazy. No one ever expected this. But yeah, so we got a crazy unboxing for you guys today, along with my entire Kobe collection. I'll be sharing with you guys, and I hope you guys love it. Stay tuned, because we are actually gonna pass by Kobe's house just to check out the memorial over there. I want to show the people that haven't seen around his neighborhood what they've done. I want to give you guys a chance to see it first. Today is the 31st. It is, I don't know, 5 days after Kobe's passing, so you think that people have slowed down Kobe's memorial? Think again, guys. Check it out. So we are back in the crib, and I got something not long ago that arrived in the mail, actually 2 days ago, and I've had the toughest time unboxing, hence why it's still in its box. So I made this purchase just one night before the passing of Kobe Bryant, may he rest in peace, him and his daughter Gianna. But yeah, so I couldn't really unbox this alone. I think it's only right to do it with you guys. I'd made this purchase from Depeshi23. You're gonna see his Instagram linked in the bottom right now. So I'm gonna leave this unboxing for the end of the episode. I'm gonna just go over a couple of Kobe's that I picked up recently and in the past, and we're gonna unbox this right after. So let's go right in. So guys, I really find this very crazy because everything happens so quick. So I picked these up, the Mlk Kobe's that released in 2009. Another pickup that I've done also just week or 2 weeks before his passing was also from Depeshi23. He's the guy that sent me my last box that I showed you, and we're about to unbox in a bit. But yeah, this is a sneaker that I bought for him last week. Also not knowing what's gonna happen, you know, and it's just scary how everything happens so quick. So these are the Shanghai fireworks. These are an exclusive that only released in Shanghai. Beautiful pair. This, I believe, was in 2013. Beautiful sneaker here. Let's go ahead and show you guys the other pair. This guy's been taking care of the sneaker for a good while. As you can tell, it's in amazing, perfect condition. Thank you so much, Depeshi23. I appreciate it. And next we got the Fade to Black pack. I'm gonna go in order from the first release to the last release. As you know, this released in 2016 for his last games that he ever played. So we're gonna go to the Kobe 2s. I'm very devastated that I was not able to complete the pack like I wanted. I'm lucky to have 5 out of I think the 13 in the pack. I did want to complete this having him alive, but unfortunately things happen, and I'm very mad at myself that I kept on saying later and later. I went on and bought a few for retail and the rest from resellers right during that few days of his last days with the Lakers. Years later, I was like, I'm gonna figure it out and get in the long run, but I don't know if I'm ready to buy another Kobe anytime soon. But it's just I find it really hard. I can't put it off. But these are the 2s right here. We're gonna jump right into 7. Yeah, I go from 2 to the 7s. Another beautiful sneaker. Not gonna go much over them. You already know what they are. We'll set them. And then we're gonna jump into the 8s. So here they are. This is actually my favorites out of the entire pack because I'm a huge sucker for purple. I love purple, so I think this is the nicest. And I love the 8s as well. Beautiful, beautiful sneaker. I'm gonna set these over here, move the box out of the way. And then last but not least, the 11s, which were the last sneakers Kobe ever wore on the court. Beautiful sneaker. I remember that day just like it was yesterday, I swear. Can't believe that was like 4 years ago, guys. 4 years ago. Yeah. I like the tags that they put on all the sneakers. The fade to black sneakers are very cool. Yeah. This was it here. And you have the date on the back as well. Crazy. Like I promised, we're done with the existing Kobes that I have. Now we're gonna go ahead and unbox the purchase that I made the day before the passing of the legend. Finally got the box out of the way, and so here are the last 2 Kobe sneakers that I ever bought having him alive. This was just the night before his passing, like I mentioned earlier. So here we have the HTM pack that released back in 2015. Now the pack does have 3, I do have 2 out of the 3, so we're good. Here, let me go ahead and open this first one. This is called the Jaws. And basically, they come up with the names to represent Kobe's personality, and Jaws I think is one of the best to describe how he's on the court. You know, he's just fierce and just goes after what he wants, you know, with his jaws. We got the second out of the pack here, which is the all black colorway, and this they had called the Arrowhead, another personality of Kobe that thought resembled him, and I definitely agree. The third, which I don't have, has a green and I think red colorway with it. It's called the Race Car, and these 3 were actually made by Tinker Hatfield and Fragment Design. So Fragment and Tinker did put their magic in these, and that's why they look amazing. And for those who don't know, these released in 2015 exclusively, first in Italy, I believe like months earlier in Italy, like I'd say like something around April, and then an official release in the US in the Nike Lab locations in I think around October, so a few months later they released in the US. So these are pretty limited and hard to find in dead stock condition. Very lucky to have them and add them. I'm gonna go ahead and bring out all the Kobes that I have here in the States. Now I do have probably another 1 or 2 and they're from the Fade to Black pack in Dubai, but that's as far as my Kobe collection goes for now. Yes, I am sad I didn't buy more Kobes. I kept on delaying and stalling, and I think this is a lesson to myself. If I want to get something, I should get it done ASAP and not delay things and say later, because you never know what's gonna happen, right? And look what happened. I'm gonna go ahead and hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely did, because Kobe was a legend to everyone. We all loved and cared about Kobe. We felt like he was a family member. So yeah, so basically it's very devastating losing someone like Kobe. He meant a lot to all of us. I actually got very lucky to get to bump into him many times around the neighborhood here, but unfortunately I wanted to bump into him with this watch right here, which is the Kobe Black Mamba Hublot edition watch. 1 out of 250 right here. But let me go ahead and show you a close-up on the watch. As you can tell, there is a Mamba right in the center right there with the number 24. Don't know if you guys can see it or not, but what's cool about this specific watch right here, they used the black Mamba skin for the strap right here, which is very, very awesome detail. And of course you got the Hublot crown right there. Another cool touch here is his autograph on the inside. Can you guys see it? Well, I'm not sure, but I hope you can. But yeah, I'm not sure if you can see the number. It's number 91 out of 250. So this did come in a very special box with also a signed sneaker. The signed sneaker is in Dubai. I believe I did put it up in one of my stories or something, and definitely the first thing I'm gonna do once I go back is look at the sneaker and hold it, you know, and probably put it in a really. So basically, let's just go on and bring the rest of the sneakers out. I thought that's something that you might think is interesting, just because I'm not sure if you guys see a lot of athletes that collaborate with big watch brands. Yes, you do see LeBron collaborate with AP. You don't see this, so I thought it was interesting. I'm one of 250 that has them, so there's just another 249 people out there, so you never know if you're gonna ever see them. So I wanted to show you guys, because I know you guys appreciate this stuff. And yeah, there you go, the rest of the Kobe sneakers that I have here with me. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and especially at such circumstance. I know it's not the best time of the year, but I really wanted to put these out and I wanted to unbox them with you guys. If honestly, if it was up to me, I would have not unboxed them, kept them in its box for a while. I wouldn't have been able to do it without you. So thank you guys so much for the support. Make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe, and tell me what you guys like in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you guys very, very soon. Have a good one.